Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to set a home page in Google Chrome. If you frequently visit a specific website every time you open your browser, setting a home page can save you time. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots, then select Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Startup. Here you'll see three options. If you want Chrome to open with a blank page, select Open the New Tab Page. This is also Chrome's default setting. If you want Chrome to restore the tabs from your previous session, select Continue where you left off. But if you want Chrome to always open a specific website as your home page, select Open a specific page or set of pages. Now click Add a new page. A dialog box will appear. Just enter the website URL you want as your home page, then click Add. That's it. From now on, every time you open Chrome, this website will load automatically. If you want to change or remove your home page, simply return to this setting, click the three dots next to the page, then select Edit to modify it or Remove to delete it. Here's a quick tip for those who want even faster access to their home page. You can enable the Home button on Chrome's toolbar for one-click access. To do this, go to Appearance in Chrome Settings, then turn on Show Home button. Once enabled, you can set it to your preferred homepage or keep the default new tab page. And that's it! Now you know how to set a homepage in Google Chrome. I hope this tip makes your browsing experience more convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.